What do we see here? This is love, this is attachment. This is love, this is attachment. This is love, this is attachment. Love is freedom, attachment is possessiveness. In love there is happiness, in possessiveness happiness just goes. So we must learn to know what is the difference between love and attachment. In love, the beloved is more important. Swami Chinmayananda used to say, identification with the beloved, where the two become one, is called love. In attachment, I am more important. What I want has to happen in attachment. What the beloved wants, I am more concerned about that in love. In love, there is a giving. In attachment, there is a deep craving. In love, one sacrifices and serves. In attachment, one dominates and becomes possessive. Love is a fulfillment unto itself. The person who truly loves finds joy in the very act of loving. In attachment, there is a deep insistence. I want certain things, certain people to be in a certain way, then only I am happy. Love frees us, attachment binds us. Love makes us more sensitive, caring. Attachment makes us more insensitive. When I love someone truly, I give them space. They have the freedom to be who they want to be, do what they want to do. If it is my duty, I can guide, I can suggest, but I don't insist. In love, there is acceptance and independence. In attachment, there is insistence and resistance. It is attachment that binds us, but love truly liberates us. When we learn to love selflessly, we let go of the ego. In attachment, ego increases. Attachment binds us to some pleasure, some way of being, and hence attachment blinds us to our duties. In the Mahabharata, we find that Dhritarashtra was attached to his son and he could not prevent the whole war. Hence attachment binds and blinds. When we are attached to sleep, to comfort, we are bound. We are not able to do what we truly should be doing. The equation for attachment is I plus I want. I am important and my wants are more important. The equation for love is you and you want. So let's learn to love truly. Let's learn to find joy in the very act of loving, not in reciprocation. In attachment, we demand a certain reciprocation. We feel disappointed without it. In love, there is no such demand and there is no such disappointment. One loves the very act of loving. One is compassionate, one is understanding, one is kind. So whether it is people, whether it is nature, whether it is our work, whether it is any objects, anyone, let's learn to love. Let's drop attachments. Have a lovely day.